Today we will see how to take an API from the Oxyy API platform and integrate it into our FacelessClip AI. Normally, if we open the software after the first installation, you will see that if you go to any module, it will say no provider configured like this. No API is configured. You can see that no API is configured. Any module will require an API key. In this case, the API is unified, meaning if you add just one API, you will get access to Gemini, then Stable Diffusion, LabScript, B2 transcription, and also Man and Banana Pro image models. Everything will be available to you. So in this case, of course, you can click here, or you can go to the Oxyy.ai platform. Just go there and click on pricing. After clicking on pricing, you'll see that they have a free model, but obviously it doesn't support everything. That means not all models are supported here. They've just included a few models. But if you want the premium model, you'll have to get that. The free one has a bit more limitations. If your budget is low, this might fit. There's a certain percent discount, so it might come to around $9. And this topic is provided for us. In that case, if you pay $20, it's almost unlimited. We've talked to them, and with about 2 million credits, you can generate almost countless scenes. You can create a lot of videos and a lot of images. So the thing is, your video model, well, the video model isn't that smooth yet. As a result, the cost for the video model is higher for us. Actually, it's just necessary for now. We'll use this. So with the FitWise discount, it'll cost $20. Here, you just have to click once and it'll be activated. I've already kept one ready just in case. After setting up the restaurant, you come here. In that case, you'll see that the credits here haven't been updated. The jackets are here and you need to take this one. Basically, you just need to click here, then click on create new app, give it any name you want, and add it to this section. After adding, just click save. If you want, you can also click test all for them. Once you click, you'll see that everything is working and all the testing results will appear in front of you. So this is necessary. You can also test directly like this. Now, if you go to new project, you'll see that the provider issue you saw at first won't be a problem anymore. Okay, this is basically happening here. It's running a test. That's why let's wait for the test to finish. Now that it's finished, if I go up to here, you'll see that it has appeared here. Okay, so the provider configuration is here. And under CDC, there is student 3 o'clock. Here is the model, and here is your script B2. If you go to the image model right away, you'll see yours there. Here, you'll find everything: Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana GR, Image Pollination, Flux, all of it. And here in your Oxyy, you have almost 1,033 ages from 11 labs, which are very professional ages. So this is your OCAP setup system. And the interesting thing is that in the Oxyy API, the OCAP system is such that if you look into it a bit, you'll understand. They have a credit limit, meaning with every request, your credits are deducted. There are two 8 o'clock models. In their case, it's written here that you get 900 credits per million tokens, and here the price is a bit higher, 30,000 credits if you look at Gemini. So for Gemini, most of us use the School 2.5 Pro, Flash, or 3 models. In that case, you see it's 3,600 credits per million tokens. That's how they actually deduct tokens. However, in our case, we've talked to them and we have a one-on-one collaboration with them. So for us, they've said that for now, they've given us almost unlimited access to run things. So if you use it and this package runs out, then you'll have to let us know. Thank you. If we need to set up the next set, I'll come back with another video about that, inshallah.